Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on Plannerzoid. If you're interested in looking at more inspiring content for planning, stationery, crafts, and DIY, make sure you subscribe to my channel where I can provide you guys some inspo. So in today's video, I'm going to be making a planner spread for my micro. You guys chose colors from the Color Cube palette that I showed on my Instagram, and I'm making a spread based off the colors you guys chose for the palette. Now, first I'm going to start with using some washi tape. And honestly, I feel like I need to use more washi tape. Like, I have all this washi tape and I barely use it. And honestly, I don't like some of it, but I want to use it more. And if I don't, I said I'll probably give it away. So after forging some of my materials, I'm going to use some washi tape and some stickers in this spread. I still need to choose paper. I decided to use one of my paper pads because nowadays I have so many paper pads and I need a reason to use all this beautiful cardstock. Like, look at how shimmery this is. It is so nice. And then I recently bought new paper pads, which don't make my case any better, I know. But my point is I need to use the special paper that I have. So I will be using some of this fun scrapbooking paper and adding it and incorporating it into my spread. After scrolling countless of times in my paper pads over and over, I decided to go for these two sheets of paper. And honestly, I'm still unsure if I wanted to use these, but because they're so shimmery, I decided to give them a try. So now I'm gonna go ahead and trim my cardstock to the appropriate size, which is 3 inches by 4 inches for the micro planner. And of course, I will be using my All-in Works tool by We Are Makers, which is really good for trimming, scoring, cutting, making envelopes, making banners. You can do a lot with this. It is really good. It is like $70. But of course, as crafters, we know we got to get our shit on sale. So make sure you get it on sale or use a coupon, or better yet, if you're going to Michael's, use the vouchers. Don't forget the vouchers because I keep forgetting the vouchers. So I'm reminding you guys now, use your vouchers. Also, when it comes to cutting this paper, I haven't replaced the blade yet and I've had it for over a year. So I like it. I think it's really good. So I trimmed my cardstock. This is how it looks now. And look at that shimmer. It is so nice. I love the gold foiling. Anyways, I'm going to also be using punches for this, of course. I used the Happy Planner punch to punch my pages. And then I will also be using a punch from We Are Makers. This is my holy grail for punching stuff. I love it so much. It can punch almost any material, even the heavier materials. It's really good. The only thing I hate is that it's just a single punch, but it's perfect for what I need it for: planner spreads and scrapbooking, any kind of paper craft really. Now let's head over to my workstation and don't forget to clean up your crafts as you go. Okay, here we are at my other workstation. This is the palette that I will be trying to create in my spread, so I have to use these colors and I can't stray away unless I have no choice. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and start with using washi tape. The washi tape really did a good job showing like the colors on the palette, and I thought it would be great to make like a washi tape kind of page, maybe with a quote on it or something. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the washi tape on the page, and then I will come back in later to continue talking about how I did the spread. Don't forget, if you need a paperweight, to use a paperweight, I like to use these heavy textbooks as a paperweight. So I'm going to sit that on top, and while that's sitting there and marinating, I'm going to go ahead and clean up some of my mess as I go. So I'm going to put away my washi tape, and then I'm going to take the time to figure out what stickers I want to use. Actually, this is a new sticker book that I just purchased from Hobby Lobby from Agenda 52, which don't sleep on that brand. They're affordable and they have really cute stickers. Like I said in previous videos, affordable and really cute stickers. But I recently just bought this book specifically for this spread. Like, I did not have any stickers in this really pretty kind of burgundy plummy kind of color. So I will be using stickers from this book to pull that color together in this spread. So honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing. So I'm gonna just do it. So y'all, right here when I got to this page, these stamps were super cute and really stood out to me. And I really wanted to find a way to incorporate it into my spread because the navy blue or dark blue, whatever blue that is, I think matches the color really good on the palette. So what I did was I basically created a die cut and I took a sticker, stuck it on some cardstock, and I used my handy dandy scissors and cut around it. The scissors I'm using are from We Are Makers, and they are, I think they're called spring scissors. I'm still trying to learn my scissors because I never knew it was so many kinds of scissors. But these scissors right here are a lifesaver. Like, when I tell you my hands barely hurt when I'm cutting stuff, I really like these scissors. More brands should make more of these kind of scissors. But anyways, that's what I used, and I'm going to go ahead and use it as a quote on the washi spread page. And here I am using some foam tape that I got from Dollar Tree to adhere it to the page because I wanted to have a little dimension. I kind of wanted to protrude out a little bit. So I'm using foam tape to execute that. And after doing my best to try to center this in the center of the page, I tried, y'all. I went back to the other page to try to figure out how I wanted to finish setting up this page. So I wanted my page to be pretty functional. But at the same time, my main objective was just matching the colors on the palette. That was my main objective. But I wanted my page to be pretty functional and still have some kind of direction. So I guess the theme that I was going for was just, I don't know, showing some cute stamps, I guess. Kind of like traveling a little bit. Like, I was kind of trying to go for that a little bit. Honestly, I really had trouble with putting this spread together. I really did, but not in a bad way per se. I see it as challenging. So maybe I shouldn't say that, oh, it's trouble, but more so it's a challenge because I'm used to doing monochrome spreads. Those are so easy to do. Pick a color or two and go about your day. But with trying all these color combinations, it's forcing me and challenging me to try something new, which is great. So I might be putting some stickers together that may or may not look good to you guys. So let me know down below. So far, what do you think about my spread? Am I matching the colors really good? Because I think I am. I think everything I've used matched the colors quite nicely. So let me know down below. So the sticker book that I'm using now is called Days and Months by Agenda 52, and I bought this a long time ago at Hobby Lobby, so I don't know if it's still there. It could be like a newer version there or something. I don't know. My point is, I really like this sticker book because it has so much that you can work with, and it can go with a bunch of different spreads. Like, anytime I see something with months and days, it's very limited. So the fact that they have all these colors and all these foiled and textures, it's really fun to use. Like sometimes I have trouble trying to choose what colors I want to use in my spreads. I really like that book and I recommend it. You should just look at Agenda 52, period. Like, I'm going to keep putting them out there because I really enjoy it. Also, check out smaller businesses on Etsy as well because honestly, they're very unique, a lot of times hand drawn, and affordable as well. So check them out too. The big businesses be doing their thing, of course. That's why they're the big businesses. But I don't sleep on the smaller ones either, not at all. And Agenda 52 is probably a larger business, I want to say, because they have a lot of stuff. Like I've seen them in the larger retailers. Anyway, Happy Planner and all those big brands, they're great and all, but I'm just saying, don't sleep on the smaller brands either. They be having some really good stuff. Honestly, y'all, I think I might be about done with this spread because what else could I add to it other than just really cute embellishments, which is pretty much what I'm doing now. So just adding cute little script icon stickers or just embellishments like flowers or foil stickers, anything to match it and bring it together even more because I like to fill up my spreads. So I'm going to add some extra stuff. But also, I just feel like this is the best it's going to get. I was really just going for more so journaling or maybe writing some quick to-dos on this spread. So I think this is honestly good enough. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is how the spread came out with both pages together. And I have to make it official by moving it into my micro planner. My spread is not official until I see how it looks with the discs and all that. Like it has to be in my planner. So I'm going to put it in there and then I will be showing you guys a montage of some close-up shots of my spread. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned on my Instagram when I put the next set of color palettes out there for you guys to choose from. And also make sure you subscribe down below. Become a Zoidie. I do a lot of crafts, DIY, stationery stuff. I'm into card making now. It's so exciting. And from time to time, I'll sprinkle in a little bit of lifestyle, beauty, self-care, and video game content. So check out my channel and subscribe. Thanks for watching.